Good morning, year two. It's Miss Cotterill here. I hope you're all okay. Today we are going to do flashback 4, so 4 questions of things that we've done before that I would like you to have a go at working out the answers to. So you will need a piece of square paper and a pencil from your home learning pack. Okay, have a go at answering the 4 questions. Pause the video here so you've got time to do it. Okay, let's check. So number 1, you had to put the correct symbol, whether it was greater than, less than or equal to compare the two number sentences. So the first number sentence, 15 add 4, you should have worked out is 19. And then 15 add 2 is 17, and we know 19 is greater than 17. So you should have put the greater than symbol in the box, in the circle. Okay? Well done. Give yourself a tiny tick if you got that right. Okay, number 2. You had to put the numbers in order starting with the smallest. So you should have had 19, 23, 30, 31 and 34. So well done. Give yourself a tiny tick if you got those right. Okay, number 3. It was asking you what number is represented in the tens frame, and you should have put 36 because I can see 3 tens frames that are full, and then the last 10 frame has got 6 counters in, so it's 36. And number 4, how many eggs are there? Well, I can see there's 10 eggs in each egg carton, and there are 6 cartons, so 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. If you've got 60, give yourself a tick. Well done, everyone. Okay, let's recap. We're going to have a go at counting in tens at the same time, forwards first and then backwards from different numbers. So let's start from 0 and count forwards in tens till we get to 110. You ready? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Well done. This time we're going to count backwards from 93. You ready? 93, 83, 73, 63, 53, 43, 33, 23, 13, 3. Well done, last go. We're going to count forwards from number 9. You ready? 9, 19, 29, 39, 49, 59, 69, 79, 89, 99, 109. Well done, everyone. Okay, so we can use an array to work out a multiplication calculation in the 10 times table. We can use an array to work out 4 multiplied by 10. Now you can see I've got 4 counters in 10 rows because I've got 4 counters 10 times. And if I counted all the counters up, the product would be 40. 4 multiplied by 10 would give me 40. Okay, on a piece of squared paper from your home learning pack with a pencil, I would like you to have a go at multiplying by 10 by drawing an array to help you to work out 3 multiplied by 10. Pause the video here so you've got time to draw your array. Okay, let's check. You should have drawn 3 counters in 10 rows because you'd got 3 10 times. And you should have worked out that the answer was 30, so well done if you got 30. Okay, we can also use our fingers to count in tens to solve a calculation when we have to multiply by 10. So the calculation that we're going to work out is 6 multiplied by 10. So I need you to show me 6 fingers. Okay, so when you've got 6 fingers up, you are then going to count in your tens. Okay, let's count in tens. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 multiplied by 10 is 60. Okay, this time I'd like you to have a go. So I would like you to use your fingers to work out the answer and write it on your piece of paper. Okay, so 8 multiplied by 10. Pause the video here and have a go. Well done if you worked out that the answer is 80. Because you should have put 8 fingers up and then counted in your tens until you got to 80. So well done everyone. Okay, this time I would like you to have a go at answering this problem. And this problem is where you are going to have to write the answer and explain why in a sentence. Okay, so on sports day, Jack runs 10 metres 7 times. Which of these calculations do not describe the word problem? Do not describe what Jack does. Okay, so Jack runs 10 metres 7 times. And we need to spot the calculations that do not describe this word problem. And I'm going to give you a clue. There's 2 of them that do not describe it. So it's either 10 add 7, 7 times 10, 7 add 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 7, or 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10. Okay, so you need to choose the ones that don't describe what he does and explain why you've chosen them, why they don't represent what he's done. Pause the video here and have a go. Okay, please don't worry if you got this wrong or you struggled with this because this was really tricky. So let's go through it. The first one, 10 add 7. Now that does not describe what he did because Jack runs 10 metres. Okay, he does 10 metres 7 times. Now 10 add 7 would be he's done 10 metres and then he's done another 7 metres and he hasn't. He's done 10 metres 7 times, he's not done 7 metres. Okay, so that one's wrong. So if you got that right, well done. 7 multiplied by 10 is correct. It does represent 10 metres 7 times, and we know it doesn't matter which way round you multiply a number. And then the next one that's wrong, that does not describe the word problem, which you should have put, is the 7 add 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 7. Because he doesn't run 7 metres each time. He runs 10 metres. Okay, so you should have had that one. And the last one, the 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10 add 10, does represent what Jack does because it's 10 metres and he's done it 7 times. He's added 10 7 times. Okay, so the 2 calculations that don't describe the word problem is 10 add 7 and then 7 add 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 7. Okay, so well done if you got that right. Okay, last job on your piece of paper. I've got a challenge. I've got some different multiplication calculations, okay? I want you to have a go either using your fingers and counting in the multiplication table that you need to count in, or using an array. I would like you to work out the following calculations. Pause the video here and have a go. Okay, let's go through them together. 2 multiplied by 5. You should have got 10. If you've got 10, give yourself a tiny tick. Well done. 3 multiplied by 10. You should have put 30. Because if you put 3 fingers up and count in your tens, you will get to 30. Next one, 6 multiplied by 2. You put 6 fingers up and count in your twos, you will have got 12. So well done if you put 12. Okay, the next one, 5 multiplied by 7. Now that one's a tricky one because I don't know my 7 times table. But I do know that I can swap the numbers around because when I multiply, it doesn't matter which way round I do it, the answer's still the same. So I'm going to put 7 fingers up and counting my 5s because I can do that. And you should have got 35, so well done if you worked out the answer for that one. 10 multiplied by 1, you should have got 10. So if you have, give yourself a tiny tick. The next one, 0 multiplied by 2, you should have put 0 because we know if we've got 0, we've got nothing, have we? Okay, so we can't put 0 2 times, we can't multiply 0 2 times because there's nothing to multiply, there's no counters. There's nothing to draw in our array because it's 0, okay? And the last one, 4 multiplied by 3, and this was a challenge to see if you could remember how to count in your 3s. And you should have got 12. So give yourself a tiny tick if you've got that right. Well done, everyone. You've worked really hard. Okay, to finish off today's lesson, we are going to have a go at singing the Table Troopers song to help us practice the 2 times table and remember the multiplication facts. 4 multiplying by 2. So are you ready?
Right, Table Troopers, where are we?
In the jungle, sir.
And, Table Troopers, which table are we tackling today?
The 2 times table, sir.
And why, Table Troopers, are we tackling the 2 times table?
Because it's too hot and sticky here in the jungle, sir.
That's silly. Table Troopers, who are you?
Table troopers, learning as we march along. Table troopers, with this 2 times table song.
Right, troopers, marching in multiples of 2. Go! 2, 4, 6, 8.
2, 4, 6, 8.
10, 12, 14, 16.
10, 12, 14, 16.
18, 20, 22, 24.
18, 20, 22, 24.
Troopers only, marching in multiples of 2. Go!
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Table troopers, learning as we march along. Table troopers, with this 2 times table song.
Right, troopers, time for trooper table facts. 2 times 1 is what?
2 times 1 is 2.
2 times 2 is what?
2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 3 is what?
2 times 3 is 6.
2 times 4 is what?
2 times 4 is 8.
2 times 5 is what?
2 times 5 is 10.
2 times 6 is what?
2 times 6 is 12.
2 times 7 is what?
2 times 7 is 40.
2 times 8 is what?
2 times 8 is 60.
2 times 9 is what?
2 times 9 is 80.
2 times 10 is what?
2 times 10 is 20.
2 times 11 is what?
2 times 11 is 22.
2 times 12 is what?
2 times 12 is 24. Table troopers, learning as we march along. Table troopers, with this 2 times table song.
Right, troopers, time for trooper table testing. 2 times 4 is what?
2 times 4 is 8.
2 times 9 is what?
2 times 9 is 18.
2 times 6 is what?
2 times 6 is 12.
2 times 7 is what?
2 times 7 is 14.
2 times 12 is what?
2 times 12 is 24.
2 times 1 is what?
2 times 1 is 2.
2 times 5 is what?
2 times 5 is 10.
2 times 10 is what?
2 times 10 is 20.
2 times 2 is what?
2 times 2 is 4.
2 times 8 is what?
2 times 8 is 60.
2 times 3 is what?
2 times 3 is 6.
2 times 11 is what?
2 times 11 is 22. Table troopers, learning as we march along. Table troopers, with this 2 times table song. Table troopers, learning as we march along. Table troopers, with this 2 times table song.
Time and time again, you are proving to be totally terrific and tremendously talented, table troopers.
Oi! That monkey's just nicked my hat! Oi! Give it back! It's mine! I'll get my mum on you if you're not careful! Come back here, you cheeky monkey!
Well done, everyone. Take care and I'll see you soon. Bye.